Welcome back everybody to Full Boot Camp, and we are building a SaaS application. Today we're outside in this beautiful day with this beautiful weather to talk about a SaaS application and how to create and build your own SaaS application. We're gonna discuss today the things that you're gonna need in order to complete this task. We are presently on day one of my adventure. Even though it's been more than 4 days that I work into my SaaS, and the SaaS I wanted to create and build, it's a SaaS for condo, for HOA, syndicates, and any administration that needs a software or an application to actually handle the checkbook, the maintenance book, the documentation between co-owners and the administration, also maybe a service ticket system, and many more features. This is what I'm actually focusing my energy these days, trying to build this application, and we are now on day one. We are working with the design. But today what I want to talk to you about on this video is about the tools you're gonna need in order to build and create your own SaaS application. First thing you're gonna need for sure is gonna be a laptop or a computer in order to do your project. Now, you don't need to be a coder, you don't need to be a programmer. It will help, but you don't need that. You do not need any experience. What you need is just the will to do it. If you know how to copy and paste, that's about it, because we're gonna be using AI to help us complete this task. So once you have your laptop, your desktop, whatever equipment you're gonna be using, then the next thing you need to do is you need to install and set up your IDE, your environment. You need to set up all the tools that you need, and this is what we're gonna talk about today. First of all, you're gonna need, I recommend to create this with Node.js, Vite, and React. These are the platforms, these are the tools that I recommend. I've tried Laravel, I've tried PHP, I tried many other programming language. You can maybe do them, you can actually accomplish them with all the other type of languages out there, but I really recommend Vite and React. It's gonna be a lot easier. And if in any case I work with Angular, I work with React, I work with Laravel, and I realize that they all are using about the same thing. If you know a little bit about programming, they're gonna be using controllers, they're gonna be using views, they're gonna be using a database, and many other things. In any case, I don't want to get deep into the programming thing, because I want this to be actually available for anybody that knows how to copy and paste. This is my main goal, is to complete this application. With being able to copy and paste, you'll be able to complete your own application. And therefore, once you're gonna have those tools available, you're gonna need Node.js, you're gonna need to install Node.js in your computer, you're gonna need your IDE. Like I said before, we're gonna be working with Visual Code. This is what we're gonna be using. Huh? Yeah, she wants to catch the butterfly. Help her to catch the butterfly. Okay, so you got your Visual Code, you can go and download it, and you have versions for both Mac and Windows as well. So it's gonna be easier for you it's gonna be very easy for you to install it. So I think basically this is about what you need. The rest of the things are also very easy to get. Like maybe we can use GitHub, or we can get, if you want to be controlling version control, actually you're going to be doing version control, I suggest to use GitHub. I actually have already tutorials on my channel about that, so I think I might not do, unless I do it for myself, then I'll show you how do I do it. But I already have a bunch of videos explaining that. I had a course on Udemy, but it was taken down because I haven't put more content on it. I have not updated. So what I'll do is I'll make that course available for anyone that subscribe to my channel. So this would be a very good time to subscribe and like if you want to know how to create projects, application, SaaS application. If you have any idea, any project in mind, my next application will be for scheduling. If you are a consultant, if you sell digital products, I'm also gonna be able to show you the applications I'm gonna be building very soon as well. I'm also gonna have a point of sale application that I'm working on, but I want to actually finish one of the applications, and this is the one I'm going to concentrate on right now, which is the condominium HOA administrations management software. And the last tool you're gonna need is actually Firebase. It's a Google application which will give you the database and also the users, the authentication, the sign in, the login, and many more. It's gonna do the bridge between your code and your application. So stay tuned. A lot of exciting things are coming. Until next time, here's Full Bootcamp.